Right, the moment of truth is upon us. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is take one. Hopefully, it's only going to take one take. So, the injectors. I discovered on the last video that I had a blocked, this 888, sorry, I had a blocked injector. It's been stood 23 or 24 years, no surprise. So I've cleaned all the fuel system out, I've made a Franken pump, we've got fuel flowing, so we know for a fact it was an injector that was causing one cylinder to be off. So I couldn't get an exact match on the injector because the parts are no longer available. Most parts are no longer available for this bike. So I've ordered two. So because they're not exactly the same, to be fair, they are the same code and everything, but they just looked a little bit visually different colour-wise and stuff. Although the measurements all do, the spray pattern may be slightly different as well. But I'm not super concerned about that. What I didn't want to do, sorry, is have one different to the other. So I've replaced them both. So now all the pipe work's back on, filling the tank, blah, blah, blah. So last time I fired it up, we had one cylinder. Then I changed the injectors around to see if it was an injector, and obviously the other cylinder was then off. Anyway, role reversal. So we just confirmed that way that the fuel injector wasn't working. So now it's got a fresh pair of injectors. So the fuel pump's working. My dummy battery is flat, so I didn't want to order a battery until I got it back in the land of the living properly. Don't want to spend any money that we don't need to until we know it's going to live and be okay. Right, so the NOCO booster on. Let's see again. Right, okay. I think that is on 2 cylinders. It sounds like it's on 2 cylinders. It revs like it's on 2 cylinders. Whew. And it's hot enough. Well, I'll tell you what, she's back. I'm not as ecstatic as what you're expecting because I was pretty confident that was going to work. So, this is all sorted. So she's back in the land of living properly. So now I can commence with the rest of the service and get it all sorted. But Nick, you'll be happy to know we are so close now. Yeah, that has been a major concern for quite some time. That's it. So, happy days. I hope you're all... who's dancing around? I know Nick will be. So yeah, it looks a mess now, but it's actually not that bad. I've got the valve clearances to check. There's not that much to do. The coolant to change. I've been doing bits and bobs as I've been going along. Anyway, I'm rambling. The happy days, all I wanted to do is show you that it's back in the land of the living with its new aftermarket injectors.